Have you noticed that your vision seems a bit blurrier in the morning when you wake up? What if discovering the right foods to eat before bedtime could transform how clearly you see the world each day? For those of us over 60, the connection between evening nutrition and morning vision clarity is more powerful than most people realize. And today we're uncovering the science-backed foods that can help you wake up with sharper, healthier eyes. The truth is, your eyes work incredibly hard throughout the day, processing light, filtering information, and protecting themselves from oxidative stress. While you sleep, your body enters a remarkable repair mode, and the nutrients you consume before bed become the building blocks for overnight eye tissue restoration and cellular regeneration. This is why choosing the right evening snack isn't just about satisfying hunger, it's about giving your eyes exactly what they need to heal and strengthen. Before we dive deep into these vision-transforming foods, I want to ask you something personal. How old are you right now, and where are you watching this video from? Drop your age and location in the comments below because I love connecting with our community from around the world. If you find value in what we share today, please hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs better vision health, and leave a comment about your own eye health journey.
Understanding why nighttime nutrition matters for eye health starts with knowing how your eyes function during sleep. Throughout the night, your retinal cells undergo intensive repair processes, clearing out damaged proteins and replacing them with fresh, healthy structures. The macula, which controls your central vision, relies on specific antioxidants and nutrients to maintain its density and function, and these compounds are most effectively absorbed and utilized during your body's overnight recovery phase. One of the most powerful foods you can consume before bed for vision health is a small handful of raw almonds combined with a few dried goji berries. Almonds are extraordinarily rich in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects your eye cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Just 1 ounce provides nearly half your daily vitamin E needs, and when paired with goji berries, which contain zeaxanthin for macular protection, you create a synergistic effect that supports both the lens and retina simultaneously. Dark leafy greens, like kale or spinach, even when consumed as a light evening snack or smoothie, deliver lutein and zeaxanthin directly to your macula. These carotenoids act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and protecting photoreceptor cells from deterioration. Research shows that people who maintain higher levels of these nutrients in their macular tissue experience significantly slower rates of age-related vision decline, making them essential for anyone concerned about maintaining sharp eyesight into their later years. Fatty fish, such as wild-caught salmon or sardines, provide omega-3 fatty acids that are absolutely crucial for maintaining healthy tear production and preventing dry eye syndrome. The docosahexaenoic acid found in these fish is a major structural component of your retinal cells, making up about 60% of the fatty acids in your photoreceptor outer segments. Consuming these omega-rich foods in the evening allows your body to incorporate these essential fats into eye tissue during overnight cellular repair and regeneration processes. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve blood circulation to the tiny capillaries serving your retina and optic nerve. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your eye tissues, supporting optimal function and reducing the risk of conditions like glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. A small bowl of fresh or frozen blueberries before bed provides these protective compounds without spiking blood sugar, making them ideal for evening consumption while promoting vision health throughout the night.
Sweet potatoes are exceptional sources of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, the vitamin most directly associated with vision health and night blindness prevention. Vitamin A is essential for producing rhodopsin, the pigment in your retinal rods that allows you to see in low light conditions. Eating a small portion of baked sweet potato in the evening ensures your body has adequate raw materials to maintain rhodopsin production and support the health of your cornea and conjunctival membranes. Eggs, particularly the yolks, offer a bioavailable form of lutein and zeaxanthin, along with high-quality protein that supports tissue repair during sleep. The fat in egg yolks also enhances the absorption of these fat-soluble carotenoids, making eggs one of the most efficient delivery systems for vision-protective nutrients. A soft-boiled egg or small omelet before bed provides sustained amino acids throughout the night, supporting not just eye health, but overall cellular regeneration and immune function as well. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral that plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from your liver to your retina for melanin production. Zinc deficiency is surprisingly common in older adults and can contribute to poor night vision and increased risk of age-related macular degeneration. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds before bed provides significant zinc along with magnesium, which promotes relaxation and better sleep quality, creating ideal conditions for overnight eye tissue restoration. Green tea, consumed about an hour before sleep, delivers catechins that have been shown to penetrate eye tissues and provide antioxidant protection directly to the lens, retina, and other eye structures. Studies demonstrate that the polyphenols in green tea can help reduce the risk of glaucoma and cataracts by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. The small amount of caffeine shouldn't disrupt sleep when consumed early enough in the evening, while the L-theanine promotes relaxation and supports restorative sleep cycles. Carrots have earned their reputation as vision-supporting foods through their exceptional beta-carotene content and their ability to support healthy mucous membranes in the eyes. The vitamin A derived from carrots helps maintain the integrity of your cornea and supports the production of tears that keep your eyes lubricated and comfortable. Raw carrot sticks with a bit of healthy fat like almond butter enhance carotenoid absorption and make a satisfying evening snack that supports vision while curbing nighttime hunger.
Walnuts contain both omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, creating a dual-action approach to protecting your eyes from inflammation and oxidative damage. The alpha-linolenic acid in walnuts gets converted to the longer-chain omega-3s your retinal cells need, while the vitamin E protects cell membranes throughout your eye structures. Incorporating a few walnuts into your evening routine provides sustained release of these protective nutrients throughout the night when your eyes are undergoing repair. Avocado offers lutein, vitamin E, and healthy monounsaturated fats that support the absorption of fat-soluble eye nutrients from other foods you've eaten throughout the day. The combination of nutrients in avocado helps maintain stable blood sugar levels overnight, preventing the blood sugar fluctuations that can damage the tiny blood vessels in your retina. A few slices of avocado on whole grain toast or mixed into a small salad makes an excellent vision-supporting evening snack. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C per serving than oranges, and this powerful antioxidant is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in your eyes and producing collagen in the cornea. Vitamin C also works synergistically with vitamin E to provide comprehensive antioxidant protection throughout your eye structures. Raw red pepper strips with hummus offer a crunchy, satisfying evening snack that delivers vision-protective nutrients without the heaviness that might disrupt sleep. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits provide vitamin C along with bioflavonoids that strengthen capillaries and reduce the risk of retinal bleeding and macular degeneration. The hesperidin in citrus fruits has been specifically studied for its ability to improve blood flow to the eyes and protect against diabetic retinopathy. A small citrus fruit or a glass of fresh squeezed juice in the early evening provides these protective compounds while the natural sugars are still easily metabolized before bedtime. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content contains flavonoids that improve blood flow to the retina and may enhance visual performance and contrast sensitivity. The antioxidants in dark chocolate protect your eye cells from damage, while the small amount of caffeine and theobromine can actually support alertness the following morning. 1 or 2 squares of quality dark chocolate before bed satisfies sweet cravings while delivering genuine vision health benefits without the sugar overload of typical desserts.
Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful carotenoid that accumulates in eye tissues and provides protection against light-induced damage and age-related macular degeneration. Cooking tomatoes actually increases lycopene availability, so a small serving of tomato soup or cooked tomatoes in the evening delivers maximum benefit. The combination of lycopene with the healthy fats from olive oil in Mediterranean-style preparations enhances absorption and provides comprehensive antioxidant support for your eyes overnight. Broccoli contains lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C, along with sulforaphane, a compound that activates your body's own antioxidant defense systems. These nutrients work together to protect your lens from cataract formation and your retina from oxidative stress that accumulates throughout the day. Lightly steamed broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil makes a nutrient-dense evening side dish that supports vision health while providing fiber that promotes healthy digestion and stable blood sugar through the night. Oysters and other shellfish provide exceptional amounts of zinc, along with omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, creating a powerful combination for eye health. The zinc in oysters is particularly bioavailable and directly supports the health of your retina and choroid, the vascular layer that supplies your outer retina with oxygen and nutrients. While not an everyday food for most people, including shellfish in your diet several times monthly can significantly boost the nutrient reserves your eyes draw upon during overnight repair. Greek yogurt, combined with berries, offers protein for sustained amino acid availability overnight, along with probiotics that support gut health and nutrient absorption. The calcium in yogurt also plays a role in neurotransmitter release in your retina, while the protein prevents blood sugar drops that might wake you during the night. Adding a handful of vision-supporting berries creates a delicious evening snack that nourishes both your digestive system and your eyes simultaneously. Hydration is absolutely critical for eye health, yet many people don't realize that mild dehydration overnight can lead to morning eye dryness and blurred vision. Drinking a glass of water about an hour before bed ensures adequate hydration for tear production and maintaining the fluid balance in your vitreous humor, the gel-like substance filling your eyeball. Proper hydration supports the clearance of metabolic waste from eye tissues and helps maintain optimal intraocular pressure throughout the night.
The timing of your evening meal matters significantly for vision health because eating too close to bedtime can disrupt sleep quality and interfere with the growth hormone release that drives overnight tissue repair. Aim to finish your main meal at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep, then choose one of these vision-supporting snacks if you need something light before bed. This timing ensures optimal digestion and nutrient absorption while allowing your body to fully focus on repair and regeneration during deep sleep stages. Avoiding certain foods before bed is equally important as choosing the right ones for vision health. Excessive salt can lead to fluid retention that increases intraocular pressure, while high-sugar foods cause blood glucose spikes that damage retinal blood vessels over time. Alcohol disrupts REM sleep and dehydrates your body, interfering with tear production and potentially worsening dry eye symptoms.
Processed foods with artificial additives may trigger inflammation that affects delicate eye tissues and impairs overnight recovery processes. Creating a consistent evening nutrition routine supports your circadian rhythm and optimizes the hormonal environment for eye tissue repair. Your body thrives on predictability, and when you regularly consume vision-supporting nutrients at the same time each evening, your digestive system and cellular repair mechanisms become more efficient at processing and utilizing these compounds. This consistency amplifies the long-term benefits and helps establish healthy habits that support not just your vision, but your overall health and longevity as well. Supplementation can complement your evening nutrition strategy, though whole foods should always be your primary source of vision-supporting nutrients. If you're considering supplements like lutein, zeaxanthin, or omega-3 capsules, taking them with your evening meal or snack enhances absorption since these are fat-soluble compounds. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you're taking medications or have existing health conditions that might interact with certain nutrients or compounds. The connection between sleep quality and vision health cannot be overstated, because deep, restorative sleep is when your eyes undergo the most intensive cellular repair and waste removal. Poor sleep quality, regardless of nutrition, impairs these processes and accelerates age-related vision decline. By combining vision-supporting evening nutrition with good sleep hygiene practices, like maintaining a cool, dark bedroom and avoiding screens before bed, you create optimal conditions for your eyes to heal and regenerate each night.
Long-term consistency is where the real magic happens with evening nutrition for vision health. While you might not notice dramatic changes overnight, committing to these practices for several weeks or months allows cumulative benefits to emerge as your eye tissues gradually strengthen and your antioxidant reserves build up. Many people report noticing clearer morning vision, reduced eye fatigue throughout the day, and better night vision after consistently following vision-supporting nutritional practices for just 30 to 60 days. The power to wake up with sharper, healthier vision truly lies in the choices you make each evening before bed. By understanding which foods deliver the specific nutrients your eyes need for overnight repair and making them a consistent part of your routine, you're taking a proactive approach to preserving your vision and enhancing your quality of life as you age. These aren't complicated or expensive strategies. They're simple, sustainable habits that fit naturally into your existing lifestyle while delivering profound benefits. If you found this information valuable and can see yourself implementing these vision-supporting practices, please show your appreciation by hitting that like button right now. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss our expert-guided health content designed specifically for living your best life after 60. We're building a community of people who refuse to accept that aging means declining health, and your presence here makes us stronger together. I'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. Which of these vision-supporting foods are you most excited to try before bed tonight? Have you already noticed connections between what you eat in the evening and how your eyes feel in the morning? Share your experiences, questions, and insights because your story might be exactly what another viewer needs to hear to make positive changes in their own life. Thank you for investing this time in your vision health, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue exploring the powerful ways nutrition shapes your well-being.